How do you know something is very powerful? When you are a kid, you might have played Mario. 3 power 4 means I'm here. No fear. Even 1 plus 1 plus 1. That will take us to a new formula. Now, some things you have to by heart. You will be amazed. This is not a terrorist organization. No, not at all. You have to add this carry. 3. Done. Ting ting ting. 1, 6, 11. Yes! You got it correct. I didn't tell this also in the recordings. Matter is done. I will take you to one more step. You want 85, 85? 70, 70. Your cubes are hot and ready. Why do you need to know the result of this? Why should you know? Which number is called as Ramanujan number? Hello winners! A warm welcome to your channel Study with Youth Officer. Today I welcome you to lecture 19. What are we going to discuss in lecture 19? Actually I wanted to teach you factorization. Actually this is not normal factorization, this is prime factorization. But in this factorization you will get a lot of powers. Last class and the previous class somewhere I have already taught you regarding prime factorizations. 1 or 2 examples I have taken, but there are a lot of powers involved. So you need to know the proper behavior of the powers. So now I will introduce you to powers and we will postpone this topic. Chalo. Where? To the powerful topic, that is powers. How do you know something is very powerful? It should have more energy than normal, right? If I take 2 into 2, that means it has double energy. I already told you the notation double. Double means 2 times. Right? It has double energy. Normal 2 is 2. Now after getting double energy, it will become 4. It will become more powerful. You might have seen in video games. When you are a kid, you might have played Mario. In that, when you get the boost up, then it will start becoming big. That's how it can jump more. That means in order to have more power, you need to multiply more. Okay. Powers are meant only for the like-minded, not like-minded, same number. You cannot say 2 into 3. You cannot write it as 2 power 3. You cannot write it like this. If someone says 3 power 4, 3 power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 gets multiplied by itself 3 times, again 3 times, again 3 times. So total power will be calculated here. You have to calculate this power. This is called power. When you take a tree, I am very bad at drawing. So assume this is a tree. This is a big thing, like big leaves or whatever it is, branches and everything. Okay, this is where the power lies. As power, our concept, power will be on the top, and these are roots. Roots will be on the bottom. This is a shortcut you can remember while you deal with the roots, because if any number if you take square root, if you take square root, it will be, if you want to represent in a fraction, usually square root of 3 will be represented, but if you take fractions it will be represented like this. The 2 will be in the denominator. Cube root of 4, cube 3 will be below. Okay, so likewise the roots are below the tree, Similarly, it will be below. But if you take power, power will be 4 cube. Power will be on the top. Below will be only 1. Below that. Okay? I hope now you are clear with powers. I'll tell you the notation. How you are going to call something as powerful. If you take some x, some example which you don't know, x, you have to read. How you have to read? Sometimes you read it as x power n, or sometimes they write it as x raised to the power n. X is raised to the power n. This x is called base. This n is called exponent. These are called polynomials. If you write any powers like that, they are called polynomials. Hope you are clear with this concept. Don't get confused. I'm here. Main hu na. I will explain you each and everything. Okay? Don't get panicked. Just write. Just jot down some points. Okay? I'm here. No fear. I'll take an example. And I'll take one power and how you can represent in a different forms in the same power. I'll take an example. 2 power 5. How can you write this? You can write this as 2 power 1 into 2 power 4. Or 2 power 5 can be written as 2 power 1 into, we'll take 2 power 2. 2 power 2 into 2 power 3. Okay. 2 power 5 can be written as again 2 into 2 into 2 power 3. 2 power 1, 2 power 1. If you don't mention any power, that means it has power of 1, only one time. Okay. 2 power 5 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 power 2. Or 2 power 5 can be written as 5 times you have to multiply, right? This is the basic thing first you are supposed to start. 2 power 1, 1, 1, 1. You add 5 are there, right? If you club these 4, then you get 2 power 4. You club these 2 and these 3, you get 2 power 2 into 2 power 3. Or you write both of them, these 2 individually, and you club these 3, then you get 2 into 2 into 2 power 3. Or you keep these 3 and then you club these 2, then you will get 2 power 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 power 2. What else we can divide this? Tell me. Somewhere like 2 power 5 into, I'll write 2 here itself, then I'll write 2 cube, then I'll write one more 2. Or I'll write it as any form I can write. 2 power 1 into some 2 into 2 square into 2. Why I am writing this? We will see whether all of them yields the same result or not. First of all, we need 2 power 5. 2 power 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So you cannot multiply all the 5 numbers at once. You have to take 2 numbers, you have to do, then you have to do the next one, okay, based on the result. First we will do for these 2. 2 2s are 4. Now I will multiply with 2, then it will become 8. Then I will multiply with 2, it will become 16. Then I will multiply with 2, then it will become 32. Right? So the answer is 32. We will see whether this will give the same result or not. Before calculating these all, I will just write one sequence. 2 power 1 equal to 2. 2 square means 2 into 2, 4. 2 cube means you have to multiply 4 with 2. 8. 2 power 4 means 2 more 16. 2 power 5 means 2 more 32. 2 power 6 is 64. It keeps doubling. Okay, because you keep multiplying with 2 more. Now 2 into 2 power 4 means how much? 16. 2 16s are 32. 2 power 2, that is called 2 square. Okay. Oh, there will be 2 exceptions also. I already told you x power n will be called as x to the power of n. But when you have 2 exceptions are there, please note it down. 2 exceptions. If there is power of 2, you can call it as x power 2 or x square. X cube, it's called x cube or x to the power of 3. Okay, please make these 2 exceptions. You will keep using them a lot. Okay, I think you noted it. Okay, I'm going to erase it now. 2 square, just now I told you, you can read as 2 square. 2 square value is 4. 4 into 2 cube value is 8. 4 8s are 32. I think you are comfortable with tables right now. I asked you to practice them. I will think that you always practice. You always practice. Practice. 2 into 2 cube means 8. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 8 is 32. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 into 2 square is 4. 8 4s are 32. 2 into 2 cube means 8 into 2. 2 8s are 16. 16 2s are 32. 2 into 2 4. Okay. 2 square means 4 into 2. 4 4s are 16. 16 2s are 32. That means all of them are giving the same result. That is 32. That means they all are equal. How do you say they all are equal? When you add their powers, 1 plus 4, how much is this? 5. 2 plus 3, how much? 5. 1 plus 1 plus 3, how much? 5. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2, how much? 5. 1 plus 3 plus 1, how much? 5. 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 5. Even 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 5. That means whatever the power is there, if you add the individual powers, it should become the same. That will take us to a new formula. What is the formula? A power m into a power n. That means if you multiply, let us take 2 square into 2 cube. 2 square, m value will be m equal to 2, a equal to 2, n equal to 3. That means 2 square into 2 cube. The result will be a power m plus n. That is equal to 2 power 2 plus 3. That equal to 2 power 5. This is what our answer is. Okay. This is a formula. Please make a proper note of this. Okay. Now, you already know the multiplication, right? 3 into 4 means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Right? So I already told you multiplication is a disguised form of additions. Now, if you put 3 power 4, if you write it like this, the meaning will be 3 into 3 into 3 See the difference between both of them and make a proper note of this example also. Okay? Now, what will I teach you? What do you want me to teach? I am going to teach now what is very essential in your exam. What is that? You may ask me, say whatever you taught us till now is not important to our exam. Now, some things you have to by heart. Those are, you have to by heart squares till 30 and cubes till 12. Mandatory. If you keep using them every day, then you will get used to them. But squares or cubes, especially when you are doing, let us take some 45 square. You multiply 45 into 45. This is a two-digit number. Every time you need to do a multiplication. Now I will reduce your work. I will tell you a shortcut. Very few shortcuts I use in my life. Okay, I will tell you because everything else is a method. If I understand how the behavior of a number goes, even here I will teach you the behavior. Now I will tell you, I will make your life very easy now. You will be amazed. Come. Multiplications. What multiplications? Two-digited. Why I am teaching two-digited multiplication? Because I am going to use I. Actually, you should not IXI like this. You should write like IXI method. This is not a terrorist organization. No, not at all. This is a pure-hearted organization. Okay? What is this IXI method? I will take a small example. Not a small example. How can I call it as a small example? It will be an example. Example is an example. 26 into 13. I will do the multiplication. Normal method. You know normal method, right? 3 6 are 18. 1 carry. 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 1 6 are 6. 1 2s are 2. If you add them 8. 7 plus 6 13. 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 338 is the answer. I will use IXI method now to do the same multiplication. Because you have to perform these multiplications in your brain. So, you should know to do IXI method. 26 into 13. What is this IXI method? IXI. Okay. First I this side. We come multiplication from that side, right? 3 6 are 18. 1. Then x. You have to multiply these two and these two and you have to add them. 2 3s are 6. 1 6 are 6. You add both of them 12. Okay. Now there is a carry 1, right? You will add 1 also. It will become 13, right? 3 I will write, 1 will be the carry. Now last step is this side I. 2 1s are 2 and you have to add this carry 3. Done. Ting 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 ting. So you got it? Easy, right? Nice. Very nice. It will be very easy. I really like this method, IXI method. No need to put this step you can avoid. Directly you can write the answer here. Shall I take one more example? Come on, I'll keep it here. I'll take one more example. Tell me some 43 into 27, right? Shall I use IXI method? IXI method. IXI. 3 sevens are 21, 2 carry. 4 sevens are 28. 2 6 are 2 threes are 6. 6 plus 28, 34. 34 plus 2, 36. 3. Here I is there. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. We will see this answer is correct or not using our own method. 43, 27. 7 threes are 21, 2. 7 fours are 28, 2, 30. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 1, 6, 11. Yes! You got it correct. How is the method? Now I will take you, before taking somewhere, I'll show you what is the trick behind this. Shall I show you? Come, I'll show you what is the trick. What exactly happens in the normal calculation, I'll show you. Okay? Then I will show you what is IXI method, how IXI method has come. Any number if you take, okay, we have taken 26 into 13, right? What you have done first? 3 6er, right? 18 carry will be there. After that, what you have done? Normal method I am telling. Normal method, 3 6er 18, 1 carry. 2 3s you will multiply. After that, you will add carry. This is what here digits will be, right? Below this, what will happen now? 1 6er you will add. Multiply. After this, you don't have any carry, right? If you have carry, then you will carry it. Next, what you will do? 2 1s. Then you will start adding them. If you add this unit digit will be here. Okay? So carry will be added here. That means 2 into 3 plus 1 into 6 plus here 1 is there. You will add them. If you get any carry, you will take forward. Then 2 into 1 plus carry you will add. Okay? Here what is happening, you check it. Please check it. I didn't tell this also in the remaining class. Okay? See, I am elaborating it properly so that you will understand. Stick to the points. Here in our IXI method, what we have done? 6 into 3, 18, 1 is the carry. Similarly, here 8 is there, 1 is the carry. Okay? After this, that 1 we have added here. Then what I have done? 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 1 into 6 you added, right? See this 2 into 3 is here, 1 into 6 is here. You just added the carry. Whatever the carry is there, you will add it here. For the next digit, IX done, right? Now I will come as 2 into 1. Our I will be 2 into 1. If any carry is there, we will add it to this. Similarly, 2 into 1, they have added the carry. This is the normal multiplication only. Thing is that we will skip the steps and directly we will write it. Hope you got this one correct. Easy. No one will tell you such an elaborate way. Not that I am telling, I am not a great. I don't want any name or fame or anything. What I want is you to understand. That's it. Matter is simple. Done. Now, what will I do? I will take you to the next step. What if both numbers are equal? Because in the square, same number will be repeated. Like 46 square is there. You just multiply same number 2 times. What will happen in this? Whenever you are doing that, 46 into 46. Normal multiplication. 6 6 are 36. 3. Okay. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are, oh, normal multiplication thing, right? Forgot. That is it. 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27. 4 6 are 24, 2 carry. 4 4s are 16, 2 18. 6, 7 plus 4, 11, 1, 11, 1, 2. This is the answer, right? Now, I don't do this. In IXA method, what I will do? 6 6 are 36, 3. 4 6 are, you have to add this 4 6 are. Means 4 6 are will come 2 times. I will not multiply 2 times. One time I will multiply, then I will double it. 4 6 are is 24. I will double it as 48. 48. Same thing I am doing, but I am just skipping this step. I am just multiplying with 2. That's it. Now 48 is there. 48 I will add the carry. 51. 5. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 5. 21. How is the method? Good? Nice. Now, I will take you to one more step. I think you are comfortable till now. Now you will be more comfortable. You will be more comfortable. How? I am going to teach you. What's my lucky number? 5. Any number ends with 5 will make your life very easy. How? If you take any number, let us take 45 into 45. How do you multiply this number? Just 5 5s are 25. You write 25. Okay. Both numbers should be equal. Okay. Only for squares I am telling. This is for 45 square. Both are 4, right? You add 1 to this digit. How much is this? 4 plus 1 is 5, right? 4 into 5. How much? 20. Done. Now 35 square. 35 you want. 5 5s are 25. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 3 4s are how much? 12. 25 25s. 5 5s are 25. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6. 15 15s are 5 5s are 25. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 1s are 2. Anything can be done like this. You want 85 85s? I will tell you 85 85s. 5 5s are 25. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 8s are 72. That's it. Now I want you to post what is 75 75s. Whoever are interested, please post in the comment box. Okay, I hope you are comfortable with IXA method now. Now I will teach you squares. Your squares are ready now. I'm going to tell you. Please note it down and keep by hearting or keep using more so that you will remember. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81, 10 10s are 100. Okay. 11 11s are 121, 12 12s are 144, 13 13s 169, 14 14s 196. Here you observe 69 becomes 96 here. Okay. 15 15s 225, 16 16s 256, 17 17s 289, 18 18s 324, 19 19s 361, 20 20s 400. So far so good. Now 21 21s, 441. Okay, 30 30s will be 900. 25 25 is 625. Why did I write like this? Here 441, here 841. 41 will be there. 484. Here 784. 529. 729. Here 576. Here 676. This is the way you have to remember squares up to 900. Now I will teach you cubes. Your cubes are hot and ready. Let us jump in. 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27. Why do you need to know the result of this? Why should you know? Because tomorrow they'll give like this directly. Cube root of 27. If you don't know what is the cube of 3 cube is 27, how will you write answer as 3? It will be very difficult. Or they will ask some cube root of 1331. You should know this is the cube of which number. Then only you will be able to write the answer. That's why I am here to help you. 4 cube 64. 5 cube 125. 6 cube. How much is this? 6 cube. Do you know? 216. 7 cube 343. 8 cube 512. 9 cube 729. See, you have to remember these numbers. You have to by heart them. No other choice. 10 cube 1000. 11 cube 1331. 12 cube 1728. Now I am going to tell you a small concept. Not small concept. I am going to tell you Ramanujan number. Which number is called as Ramanujan number? Have you ever heard Ramanujan number? The great mathematician. The number is 1729. What is so great about this number? You can write this number as sum of 2 cubes. You can write like that 2 times. And this is the smallest number which can be written like that. Am I confusing you? No. Yes. Chalo. What do I mean by my statement? 1729. It can be written as sum of 2 cubes. Which cubes? This can be written as 12 cube plus 1 cube. 1728 plus 1. And it can be written 2 times. One more type is there. One more form in 2 forms. 10 cube plus 9 cube. Sum of 2 cubes. 2 times you can write. Is there any other number? Yes. No, this is the smallest number. Other numbers are bigger than this. This number is called Ramanujan number. This is 1010 cube is. This is 729. Okay. See the beauty of this genius. They don't see a number. They see something in that number. That's how this is how you learn mathematics. You have to keep your mind. That's why I always tell you to divide the number for more clear view. Here, he divided this number into 2 cubes. 12 cube and 1 cube. Here 10 cube and 9 cube. You can write it in different ways. You can write this as 1229 plus 500. You can divide it in any way. You have to keep dividing. So now we have seen 6 cube in this. Somebody else may see 2 cube into 3 cube. They may see, if you multiply both of them, answer might be the same. 2 cube into 3 cube. If you multiply 18 to 27, you will get 216. Like that, you have to see more forms in a single number. Then you will understand the behavior of a number. Then mathematics will be very easy. Don't think it's not a difficult task. Don't get carried away. Don't get worried. Don't get tense. Don't get fear. Don't get scared. Nothing. Just relax and look at the number. Problem will be solved. I hope you enjoyed the lecture. Thank you so much. Happy learning and have a nice day.